Hey, it's Lee with Simply Smarter Income, helping you to build, start, and grow a successful online business. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 8 of the top ways to make money online that you can literally do from anywhere in the entire world, in the whole world. Okay. Now, by the end of this video, you'll be able to stop procrastinating on starting that online business that you've been telling yourself that you're going to start someday, or maybe next week, or maybe next year, or when things, settle down, or whatever your excuse might be. You can actually start any of these ideas I'm going to cover today. Like literally today, you could start them today. And so I really think that these tips are going to help you to brainstorm and sort of figure out what it is that you actually want to do when it comes down to online business. So be sure to watch this video until the very end so you get all of those ideas and tips and tricks and brainstormed ideas that I put together for you guys. So make sure you watch until the very end. If you're new here, my name is Lee and I've been making money online since about 2014 or so. And this includes running a YouTube channel with nearly 30,000 subscribers. I've also owned and operated a subscription box company as well. And currently I run 2 niche websites and 1 blog. This channel is all about helping you to make money with a successful online business. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. And so with that being said, let's hop into this quick video. So number 1 is going to be freelancing. Freelancing is fantastic. You can do it from literally anywhere in the world. When I say freelancing, think freelancer.com or Fiverr and so many other sites that are out there, but there's so many different ways that you can actually build a business around freelancing in general. And you can build a business around yourself, or maybe you can also create like an agency where you have other people working for you to fulfill those orders as they come in. It's really sky's the limit when it comes down to freelancing, but it's something you can actually start today. Number 2 is going to be online courses. Now, online courses are a fantastic way to make money online. And you can literally do this from anywhere. And all you really need is a camera and maybe some kind of audio equipment and your brain, right? Just putting together a course. Each and every one of us, we have a certain skill set that we can offer to the rest of the world. Even if we're an intermediate person, we can teach beginners whatever that thing might be. So if you are fantastic at painting portraits, right? And that's your thing, and you feel like you're maybe an intermediate or advanced, well, you can actually teach beginners how to actually get started with painting portraits. So just think along those lines, and I'm pretty sure you can come up with something that you could put together. And not to mention, from a professional standpoint, many of us don't start out in the entrepreneurial world. We actually have a career first, and maybe think about what you've done with your career that you can translate into having an online course. Be sure to check out the description box below, because I'm going to leave some links to some places that you can get started with, like Udemy and some other places as well. So be on the lookout for that. Number 3 is going to be to create ebooks. Now, this is something that I'm really passionate about. I really think ebooks are fantastic. I'm actually going to be writing my own ebook very soon, but creating ebooks is a fantastic way to make money as well. Because again, when you take that skill set that you have, you figure out what it is that people are actually wanting to know, what they need, what they're looking for, and you put that all together in a very informative ebook. And there's so many different ways you can make money from your ebook. You can create a free ebook, send it out to your email list as well. You can throw some affiliate links in there, and it can sort of just whet their appetite on some other things that you might offer later. So for instance, maybe an online course like I just talked about. But an ebook is a great way to sort of open the door and really pull in those people to get to know you and to really consume your content. Number 4 is to become a YouTuber. Now, I know when it comes down to YouTubing, a lot of people are just like, oh, I think it's too late. I think I missed the boat. Is it possible to make money on YouTube anymore? Do they even make that much money? And how does that even work? And blah, blah, blah. When it really comes down to it, being a YouTuber, if you're passionate about it, if it's something that you can actually be consistent with and stick to, you can definitely be successful. I actually have another channel. It's called Hanging with Lee TV, and I'm close to 30,000 subscribers. Haven't been as consistent as I would like to be, but it still makes me money. People still watch my videos, and maybe one day if I want to pick back up in terms of increasing that frequency with that channel, I can definitely do that. But right now my focus is going to be on this channel. But yeah, definitely becoming a YouTuber is fantastic. And there's so many different facets to being a YouTuber as well. There's different ways that you can make money. You can create funnels. You can have ebooks. You can have online courses. You can make money with affiliate marketing. You can get sponsorship. There's so many ways to make money with YouTube. It's really sort of up to you in terms of what you can think of. Number 5 is online coaching. So I know that you probably have seen somebody who is going to be a life coach, or maybe they're a health and wellness coach, or maybe they're a fitness coach. There's so many different ways that you can start a coaching business online. And all you really need to do is create a website and just start reaching out to folks and find out who you can make your customer with your website. And there's also other sites out there that specialize in online coaching as well that I'm sure you can join up with to sort of fast track yourself to start getting those clients. But you can do this virtually from nearly anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and a camera or a phone or whatever way you want to actually interact with your customers. Number 6 is going to be to teach English online. Now, I know that sounds a little funny. You're like, I don't know if I'm a teacher. Well, honestly, there are a lot of people out there in other countries that are really looking to learn English. So for instance, China, there's a lot of Chinese kids out there that really want to learn English, and their parents are more than willing to fork over the money for that. And it pays pretty decently as well. And if you have the time, it's something you can actually work into your daily life or your weekly life to teach some kids English online, and you can make a good living from that as well. Something that if you wanted to, you could probably do full time as well. So it's really up to you. Number 7 is going to be to become an online marketer. Now, when it comes down to marketing online, it's really like crazy how much money you can make online if you're good at it and if you know what you're doing. But one of the ways you can make money online as a marketer is through affiliate marketing. If you can get really, really good at affiliate marketing, really good at SEO, and really good at like Google Analytics and Facebook ads and all those things, there's so many different ways that you can leverage that skill set to make money online. So becoming an online marketer is also a great way to make money online from anywhere in the world. It does require you to do a bit of research. It might require you to do a little bit of studying. It might require you to find someone who is very skilled in it and maybe learn from them for a little while. It's really up to you, but it's definitely something that's attainable, and it's definitely something that I recommend. And finally, number 8 is blogging. Now, blogging is something that's going to be really great. Blogging is a great way to make money online. And again, you can do it from anywhere. All you really need is a computer to type up your articles and put those out there onto the web. It's not something that's going to be an overnight success. It's going to take you a little while to build that traffic up and to get that traction. But if you already have an audience out there on the internet from somewhere else and you start blogging as well, you can bring a lot of those people over to your blog and kind of keep things going that way and jumpstart your blog too. So blogging is a fantastic way. Again, there's so many different avenues you can take with blogging. You can have ebooks, you can do affiliate marketing, you can get sponsorships out there from all these different companies depending on what you're blogging about. You can put ads on your website as well, which makes a really good income depending on how much traffic that you get. You can do sponsored posts. Again, there's so many different ways you can make money online through blogging. It's really insane. Right now I'm running 2 niche websites. I guess I could call them a blog, but I call them niche websites. And then I also currently run simplysmarterincome.com as well as just like a more traditional blog. So it is a newer site for me, so I'm building that up as well. But it's definitely a great way to make money online having a blog. Highly recommend it. If you can think of some other ways that you can make money online from anywhere in the world, go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you have thought of, or what are some great ideas out there that maybe I wasn't aware or maybe I didn't list in this video. Also, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed for some reason, I'm not sure why you wouldn't have, but if you haven't subscribed just yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell as well to be alerted every time I upload a video.